everybody, I'm Ashley and this is a product introduction video for Frame It Out Wishes product collection for Ink to Paper's May 2019 release. This stamp set and the coordinating dies were illustrated by Rebecca Luminarius, and these stamps are stored on one single 4x8 sheet. It comes with the label already affixed in a clear sleeve packaged. Okay, this stamp set retails for $18 and you get so much good stuff in this stamp set. There are 10 sentiments and about 8 images, and the images are all leaves that you can use to adorn or frame out your sentiments. So the sentiments are smile, hello, be well, and wish, and they're done in this very beautiful font here. You also can get you're in my heart, so you can put hello, you're in my heart. Make a big, and you can say wish or make a big smile. There's also smile here, and it says you can pair it with it looks good on you. And then there's one here that says my dear friend, so you can put hello my dear friend, or be well my dear friend. A note to say hello, and then there's also a you're amazing sentiment. So lots of great sentiments in this set, and then a lot of different leaf images. You can have the filled in option for some of them, and some of them are just the outline. So you can use coloring techniques or just stamp them as is if you'd like. This stamp set coordinates with the dies. So I'm just going to show you the die collection because there are a lot of dies in this set. There are a total of 13 dies, and this die collection retails for $35, and that's because you can do so much with these dies. You get about 4 sentiments in here because you get all of these. You get the smile, the outline version, smile. Hello is right here. I recommend that you do not snip away the actual attachment here for the O, so you can cut out your word and it's all together. You get hello. You also get wish. And you get be well, which are 2 separate dies, just so you're aware, but they are all come together when they're joined when you first get them on your die sheet. Additionally, you get the base or the shadow version of the sentiments. So how they will look stamped, you get that version. So you can stamp them directly on the base or a shadow version for all of the sentiments. And then you get the five different dies for the leaves too. So you have different clusters, a pair of them, and then you have some single leaves as well. So the dies are $35. The stamp set is $18, but there's so much you can do with this. Just take a look at this here. I die cut it, my smile base in shadow and black, true black, and then I used a Luxe Gold adhesive paper to cut the smile, and it just stuck right to it. I use this one here just to stamp Be Well directly onto it, and I use a little bit of multi-step stamping to get that effect. Here it is when I actually die cut both of them, the actual word die and the actual shadow. Again, so many options. I did a rainbow version of this one. Heat emboss looks really cool on here. I heat embossed this hello. Very pretty. Also here, this is a little bit of ink blending on the actual base part. That's an option. And don't forget, you can do things just like the regular basic word and have just the single word like this, and just add it to an actual project like so. Okay, so lots of different options there. Sometimes you want to use the negative version. I think that would look really cool if you had this cut out into a shape. You could have a circle shape or an oval shape and just die cut the word smile and then add your sentiment, and you can have the negative version. So that's an option. I also wanted to show you really quickly that you can take and use, this is an actual work product that I've used, but you can take any of the negative die cuts from the shadows, like this one. You can use an ink blending technique, and like I did here, and I put this here over top, and I ink blended that shadow part, and then I stamped Be Well over top. A 1-layer design, but dimension, so that's an option. Don't forget you have all these little leaves you can color. Heat Emboss looks really cool with these. And so this is just so much you can do with Frame It Out. Here is what I created with it, with the smile word. Just die cut with the word and then over the base. Make a big smile. It looks good on you. And I just love this card so much. So that is the introduction for Frame It Out Wishes for Ink to Paper's May 2019 release.